We are learning about magnets, and now we will learn about how we can make a magnet. So dear students, there are several methods of making magnets from iron pieces with the help of other magnets. We need a single strong bar magnet to make an object magnet. So we need the help of a magnet to make magnets, and we have two main methods by which we can make magnets. So a magnetic object can be made into a magnet by two methods. Firstly, the stroking method, secondly the electrical method, and the name suggests what may be there in these methods. Stroking, striking. So by striking the object with magnet we can do, and then electrical method. So let us try to understand the stroking method first. It is also known as the touch method. It is the easiest way, I can say it is the easiest way of making a permanent magnet. It is by touch method. A magnetic object is stroked many times in the same direction with the magnet in this method to make it a magnet. Now what you will do? For the stroking method, we need a magnet and a magnetic object, because for striking we need a magnet and the object which we want to convert into magnet, that must be an magnetic object. Non-magnetic objects will not be converted into, it can't be converted into magnet. Only a magnetic object can be converted into magnet because it already has this property of attracting. So first step, you can try picking up iron fillings with a magnetic object, for example an iron nails. But what you will observe that the iron fillings, they do not cling to the nail because it is just a magnetic object and it is not a magnet. So if you try to attract the iron nails by a magnetic object, it will not work. So what we have to do? We have to stroke the iron nail about 20 times with one pole of a bar magnet. To the one pole, you must understand. Then stroke with the same pole and always in the same direction. You have to stroke the iron nail about 20 times continuously with one pole of a bar magnet, and in the same direction you have to do this. So after continuous effort, after continuously doing it, maybe in 20 strokes it will not work, you have to do a little more hard work. So then you do this, you will observe that the iron fillings cling to the nail. Next time you take it to the magnetic object, the iron nails that has become a magnet, it is being magnetized. This process is known as the that it is magnetized. Now let us come to the second method, the electrical method. So electrical method means electricity is being used in this method. The name suggests that it must be connected to electricity somewhere. So magnets are made using electricity in this method, and magnets made by this method are known as the electromagnets. We call them electromagnets. And how they are made? An electromagnet is made by coiling an electrical wire around a magnetic object. Means we will coil this electrical, we will coil it around, and we can make magnetic object a magnet by this magnet. Means by coiling an electric wire around a magnetic object, and this becomes a magnet after some time by just coiling around it. But what we need to take care is that never use electricity from the main to make an electromagnet. We from the main source directly we should not use the electricity, because if you are making magnets like that, you can get an electric shock and you can get hurt. It can hurt you. Let us now take the things at a glance, means in a short time. Let us discuss it once again. It's a recapitulation. So magnetic object can be made into a magnet by two methods. We discussed that if we want to convert, firstly only a magnetic substance can be converted into magnet, non-magnetic substance will not be converted. So there are two methods, the stroking method and electrical method. And what happens in the stroking method? The magnetic object is stroked many times in the same direction with a magnet, and this process is repeated again and again. No, maybe it will take not only 20 strokes, but it may need more than that. So by stroking method, a magnetic substance can be converted into a magnet. Then comes the electrical method. Let us now recapitulate the electric method also. Firstly you should know that the magnets which are made with the help of electricity, they are known as the electromagnet, and they are made by coiling an electrical wire around a magnetic objects many times, means coiling, it will be coiled around